Hello, my friends. Welcome to another video tutorial. Today we are going to discuss how to create pivot tables in Excel sheet. Before going to start the video lecture, I would request you to please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful video tutorials. Coming back to the video, this is the data I want to create the pivot table of. So the first step that you have to follow to create a pivot table is to select the data range. I will select data starting from this and then till here. So the second step is to go to insert option, and in insert option you have this option pivot chart in chart section. When you click on pivot chart, you will have two options. The first one is pivot chart. The second one is pivot chart and pivot table. So in this video, we are only creating pivot tables. We would select the second option. Before selecting this option, I would tell you another and easy option to create pivot tables, which is right here, recommended pivot tables. You can create your table from here. What is the difference between creating from here and here? In this option, you would have some ready-made pivot tables, which will save your time. This is the recommended option, but I would use this detailed option so that you know how it is creating pivot tables. I will select this option. Here we have two options. The first one is to create or to select the range of data you want to use for this table. I have already selected the range. I will come to this option. So choose where you want the pivot table report to be placed. Do you want to be shown on the same sheet, existing worksheet, or you want to create a new worksheet? I would recommend to use the new worksheet and then click on OK. When you click on OK, you will have another sheet here on the left side of the main table. We got two things. The first one is it created a chart also. I am not going to creating the chart now. I will delete it. Now I have these options. Here is the table that would be shown here. On the right side, I have two columns. The first one is the data column, and the second one is where you filter the data, you format the data. So what is now I am going to do is to insert the data into the table. First of all, I want to check the sales or the total sales of all regions. I would select the region. This will show me the regions, and I want to check what are the sales of each region. I would select the sales amount. So this shown me the sales data of each and every region. Now I want to check what are the sales done by each manager in these areas. I will select the manager. This will show me the managers and their data of sales. Now, if I want to check the managers' units they have sold, this will show me the units sold by each manager of each area. So this is how we create the pivot tables. In Excel, this is one of the most important tools or function that is used for data analysis, for decision making in the companies or the businesses. I hope you like this video. If so, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful video tutorials.